Big bang, big hole. Oorah.
What was the game mode? I wasn't really listening by accident.
We got an armory, there's a green ammo can to pick up, and we gotta bring it back here.
Yep.
Armory, green can, bring it back 4 lives.
4 lives. You get 2 medics per life because you have your tourniquets.
Okay.
Yeah, we just gotta grab that ammo can and run it back. So if somehow you can get to that ammo can and run it back before the enemy's even close, without getting shot, we win.
Gotcha. Which one was the armory again?
Armory's all the way at the other end.
Ooh, got it. Okay.
Also, I see that Ave Dominus Nox on there. Bit of a loyalist myself, I'm not gonna lie.
Night Lords for the they skip babies. You guys don't. I mean, the similarities are not there, man. All right. I'm gonna cut right in front of you in 1 second. Shit. All right. Ah, nice shot. Ah. Shit. That's not happening. I gotcha. Gonna drag it this way just a little bit. You okay? Ooh, 1. How'd that feel? Arm up.
Oh.
I'll get it better. Don't you worry your pretty little head. Cool.
They're up top of that.
Of the tension? Got it. That's why I wear a helmet, man.
Do not keep your head on.
You're tempting me.
Fucking man.
As beautiful as the day I met you. Ah, man, I'm not tall enough for that.
Hey, we got friendlies all the way up to the red building right here past prison. Yeah, we're gonna try to get up to the wall and just skirt around them.
Okay, are we going that way, you said?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna try to cut from this way and then kind of make my way towards you guys. All right. Hey, you wanna do something daring? Wanna follow little me inside this building? There's a doorway right there, it'll be really cool. Got it? Okay. Hey, you guys wanna come with me to this doorway?
I'm about to go take the high ground real quick, do some Overwatch.
Oh, okay.
Are you guys going in?
I'm about to go in this way.
Okay. I have a grenade as well like that.
All right, I'll suicide run it. Go. So I'm gonna try and do the front. Oh, sorry. Yeah, go for it. I believe in you, King. Oh, it's coming out. Hey, can you pull the pin on that and kill yourself?
No, it's already out.
Aw.
I think I already dropped it on his head.
It's clear! It's clear! It's clear! Yep. Yep, all good. No, I'm dying. I'm just fine. Alright. I can't tell if it's our guys. They weren't looking at us. I mean, I'm about to clean more buildings for you guys. On your side. Good? Okay. Oh shit. I wouldn't do that, bud. Oh, nice shot. The right side was kind of clear for a minute too. We cleared up detention and then like a couple car goes in front of it.
Yeah, that's where I was.
Yeah. Detention's for sure still secure, that's fine. But there's a guy on our right side of it. Not our guy, bad guy.
Yeah, I know what you meant.
Okay, cool. All right. Oh, wow. Nice souvenir. Fuck yeah.
What's your grand plan with that entire thing?
Hanging on the wall.
And
Yep. Holy shit! Do you take cash up? Fuck yeah.
dude, I love you.
Wow, that was pretty good. Fuck yeah.
Where was it at? In their backside on the main road.
Holy
But they were all focused on that right. I just peeked around the left.
We all were fucking hitting right. There was no tomorrow. So fuck yeah, dude. Good shit.
War on two fronts. That was smart.
Yeah, we totally meant to do that. Fuck yeah.
That was our plan from the start.
I believe you. Fuck yeah.
Yeah. I'm too old for this shit.
Hey, you got your cardio in. What fucking hell, man? Good shit.
Cardio.
Oh shit. Where's that bridge? There it is. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hold on. Come on. Yeah, watch that. Hey, so you know that big old dune hill that's like right across that bridge?
Yeah.
If we move up to that, we're gonna be held down, but we can let our guys move up.
Yeah.
I'm about to jump up, shoot. 1, 2, 3. Oh shit. Oh shit, my set's on. I got one, dude. Ah, shit, my hop was too high.
My God.
Fucking stupid. Ha, got him! I got one guy. Hey, you guys think you can cover me? I'm gonna run up for funsies. All right. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Oh. They do it? Is it game? I felt that. I think we just threw the satchel though. Yeah. I don't know if they have to do anything else to it though, but yeah. Is it supposed to go under the Spartan or is it fine to be next to it? Oh shit, yeah, so that doesn't count. That's such bad luck, but that sucks. He actually could have done it too, he just missed. Alright, I'll be back to shoot ya. Coming out, coming out!
Oh, you don't want to go towards that left fucking side.
I'm just gonna say this, I was gonna wait for all you guys. Yeah, so, fucking stupid. So, the whole side over there, what are you doing? What emote was that? Anyways, what badass, whoa.
All right.
Whoa.
Are y'all with us? You doing your own thing?
I'm following you guys. It was either that or I suicide ran. What's up?
Progress we have. We just tried to hit up that right side. It's completely bogged down.
Yeah.
Left.
Shit. Are we saying like that side? Or like what are you saying?
That side.
And you said it was good or bad?
Bad.
Aw.
Can't even move. Left side.
Damn it.
Same thing.
Well, the right side was clear when I was there, but I guess they learned a lesson. Left side, it's just too much shrub. We're in the
Down.
yeah, so I mean, it's just kind of fucked up everywhere kind of thing, you know? We'll see how it goes.
Well, you guys kept looking at our look. We're like, non-painted.
Non-tainted.
I was like, fuck.
That's right. Keep laying down fire, kid. Keep it up.
I'm gonna shoot right to this right of your leg.
Riley's about to look back at us.
What's up?
Hard cover, hard cover.
Ah, hit! Ah!
I got hit. He's a fucking cop. Damn.
Oh!
Hi.
That hurts. If only someone beautiful like you two handsome strong men would tourniquet me with the tourniquet in my pocket. Oh. But alas.
What a laugh.
Oh, you're dead too? Oh. Rest in piss.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh!
Shame on you.
Shame on me.
Yeah, shame on you. You should have saved my life. It's okay, there. Thank you. Thank you. Oh shit. Now they got a good spot over there. We're fucked. We're better off just respawning. They have that hill. Oh. Ah.
Hey, do you guys remember if we can spawn
Coming out,
inside
coming
the
out.
city? Three-story is a respawn. That's where I'm respawning.
Cool.
I got another.
Ah, man. Dead man, don't shoot. Oh. And my knee ate shit there, man. Holy fuck. Get out these shoes.
Real. Is that third story?
Yep. All right. Cool.
Hey, I'm gonna check in here real quick.
Go right. I'm not seeing him. I don't got eyes on him, dude. I don't see him. I don't see him. Yeah, that's not good. I could be like a sacrifice across the bridge, and if you see me get shot, just follow the shot. I'm down.
All right, on you.
All right. All right. Hey, I'm gonna get that guy. Can you cover me? Okay, cool.
Hold me.
Go.
Chucky, just
I don't have my gun. Come on, man. I didn't know where he was. You do. Kill that motherfucker. Oh shit, my gun's up. Shit. No, you're okay. That was on me for putting it upwards. Just keep an eye on that dude. I had no clue where he was. I'm gonna make sure our guys can move up though. I'm about to go bum rush that. Fuck it. A little stretch. I see. Keep his head down. Ah! Ah! Oh, it hurts so bad. Oh shit! He moved! He moved further down that way, I'm pretty sure. Good save, man. Fuck yeah. I'm about to jump in that trench for funsies, though. Fuck yeah, here, let me see what ammo I got. I can't see what I got. 1 second. Come on. Oh, my gun's so dirty. All right. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh shit. What's up? I'm good. Ah, nice shot, dude. Ah, it hurts. Oh heavens. Good shit, dude. Look at you. Little fucking superstar. Oh, poor fucker. Oh, it hurts so bad.
Person to my right.
What's up, bro?
Thank you. Sure. Can you make me?
Hi.
Hi.
You look like you had fun.
A little bit. Killed some guys, they killed me. Such is life. If only there was a strong hunk of man to revive me with my cool tourniquet. Ooh. We're the same band.
We are. We can revive him and shoot him again.
I like that.
Let's do that.
Positive elixir trade. Fuck yeah.
Or actually, can we move you? This would be fantastic. Do you mind being a human shield?
That'd be really fucking fun.
So we basically just move you.
Good luck, men. Best of luck. They ditched us.
Put your finger down if you're goated. Fuck. Nice guys finished last, I guess.